flooding in the acres. I saw the rain, I heard the thunder, and I just knew I had to get out here to see how the acres was coping with this dreadful weather that we are facing right now. So today we're going to take a lap around the project just to see how the roads are coping with all this rain and if there's any flooding happening. The sun has just joined us as well, and we've even got a rainbow over the acres. Could not have timed that better. Okay, so we're just starting here where Emirates Road joins onto the road that comes into the acres. You can see just on the right there, and it was super rainy, which is not great for viewing. So I decided to pull over a bit further up, but you can see all the way down here that there was no flooding happening. So once it brightened up, we could see a bit more clearly. This is the acres on the right, and this is gate A. So this is one of the main entrances, and we can see that there's no flooding happening at all down this road. As we then turn onto Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan, just behind Ranches 1 and Global Village, this road is also completely free of flooding. On the right there, you would see clusters A and D. And as we pull off here on the right to head down Latifa bin Hamdan, on the corner here, there is some water, but this is quite a distance from the acres itself, and it isn't affecting any access. Latifa bin Hamdan, this is where you'll enter into the community at Gate B, and we can see that it's also clear of water. However, as we then turn onto the Emirates Road, although this is clear past the acres, when I first drove around, the slip road past Adnoc petrol station was blocked off due to flooding. And this is important because it is the same road that you'll take back into the acres where we first started. You can see here that this is where the flooding is, and this is the road that brings you into the acres. On my second drive around, they had actually opened this up and drained some of the water, so I went down to show you more, and this is how it looked. Now, of course, this isn't showing inside the acres community because it's all sand, but since flooding has become a problem in recent years, any new development, we can expect to see there to be plans within the infrastructure to combat any possible flooding in the future.